Hey guys, if your Wyze base station won't connect to the Wyze app, stays offline, or your cameras can't communicate with it, you're in the right place. This issue can happen because the Ethernet cable is loose, the router isn't providing an internet connection, the base station hasn't finished starting up, the app is outdated, or the pairing process was interrupted. In some cases, a recent router restart or network change can also prevent the base station from reconnecting automatically. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Check that the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both the base station and your router. 2. Restart the base station by unplugging it for about 1 minute before reconnecting the power. 3. Confirm your router has an active internet connection and the network is working normally. 4. Open the Wyze app and install any available firmware updates for the base station. 5. Add the base station again in the Wyze app if it still doesn't reconnect.